Holy moly, Dow crashes, the worst day in the whole year in one day. And this is the tip of the iceberg, in my opinion. Again, this is the tip of the iceberg. I predict that we're going to have a 40 to 60% crash in the stock market. Why do I say that? Not financial advice, just my opinion, is because the whole stock market is being propped up by the printing of money. Simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. Printing of money has propped up the stock market into massive, massive bubbles. On top of that, you have other assets all over America that are in hyper bubble like real estate, okay? I mean, think about it. You have millions of people that are behind in their home payments, but real estate keeps going up and up and up. So we're at the stage where everywhere you look, there is bubbles. They want us to be in a debt-based economy. They want every one of you guys and me to be in debt. That's the whole scheme, because if you're in debt, you don't have time to think about what I'm just saying. You're not going to have time to research what I just discussed because you're just worried about paying your bills. So the whole system is based on fear, lack. But I'm here to tell you, the reason I do my channel is here to tell you that you're very, very powerful. Literally. The only reason that you think you're not powerful is because of all the TV ads, right? Think about it. The schooling system,
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.
the employees in the corporations, big brother, they don't want you to be powerful. I believe that you're a very, very powerful individual that you can create with your mind. I believe that what quantum physics talks about, that the consciousness can produce the reality. But in our society, they make us feel like we're too small, too short, too fat, too this, too that. We needed some kind of FICO score to be your dreams. We need to have this, which makes us deprived of our power. Our power is to create with our mind. We don't need anything. Everything is given to us on this planet, ship, right? Earth, okay? And I say ship because we're all, doesn't matter if you're Chinese, Indian, Korean, whatever, American, we're on this one boat. It's called Earth. And we're floating in the ocean of the galaxy, if you look at it that way. And we're very, very powerful, and we live in a world of abundant resources. Think about it. I can take one little seed and grow a forest of trees. Those trees will give me apple that will feed me and my family. Okay? Let's look at this tree right here. It produces the oxygen we breathe. I mean, think about it. This one tree helps us so many different ways, from our homes or our oxygen to providing food, to providing shelter, and so on and so on. So we live in a world of abundance. However, because of the elites, because of the marketing, they want us to feel inferior. They want us to feel trapped. They don't want us to be motivated. I mean, for example, Facebook doesn't want you to be motivated. YouTube doesn't want you to be motivated. They want you to sit down and consume information. They don't want you to be in spirit. They don't want you to be inspired, okay? They want you to have fear. They want you to feel like there's lacks. They want you to believe that you can't do this because you don't have a certain FICO score or you don't have a certain whatever. And that's why I do my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. This is why I created the new flip, because I want to show all you and myself how easy it is to make something in America or any part of the world, to be honest with you, because all it takes is imagination and creativity. It does not take money, does not take college degrees, it does not take connections, this and that. Sure, all those things can help, right? But the most important thing is that you feel good and happy. The most important thing is that you believe in yourself and have faith in yourself. The most important thing is to be connected with everything, from the trees to the squirrel to whatever. The most important thing is that you are able to believe in yourself, that you can create through your own mind. Because if you understand quantum physics, you understand that consciousness will determine the outcome. You know, a lot of people join the new flip and they'll have a negative mindset. And my coaching is really to help them realize that their mindset determines the polarity of the world they live in. For example, I had a student join up. The very first 3 deals he did were actually the first 2 deals he did was like home runs, where he put $100 in. He was going to make $500-$600. But because of his negative mindset, he changed the tailwind to headwind. Now the next few deals he's getting are just, 200%, 300%ers ROIs, which is amazing, but it sure isn't 700% ROIs. And one thing that I'll try to explain to him is that when things go good for us, if we complain and moan, then before we know it, we're going to have headwinds versus tailwinds. We can have headwind, which makes life difficult. We could have no wind, which makes life neutral, or we can have tailwind, which is the unseen hand helping us. And a lot of times the unseen hand helps us, but because of our negative attitude, because of our conditioning of seeing things negatively, like everyone's trying to get us, we don't really appreciate and understand the tailwind, okay? But if we were more grateful and appreciated things and see things how they really are versus what the TV tells us, then we can have a different dimension of success. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching today. Click the like button. What's going on, guys? Click the like button. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you think we are living in a world of unlimited resources? I mean, think about it. From the tree, from the apple to a baby, right? Or to your ability to eat food. Anyways, thanks for liking. Click the like button. Don't take no for an answer. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy, peace.